Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. Over here I have the Casio WS-1700 and I'm gonna show you how to set the time, date and other watch functions. So let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, and that is the mode where the watch tells the time, press and hold the upper left button until you hear the beep. And there it is. The seconds are flashing and they are first in a row of settings. You cannot set the exact value of seconds, but what you can do is reset that value to 0 simply by pressing the lower right button. Once you've done that, press the mode button and the flashing moves on to our daylight saving time mode. Is it on or off? By pressing this button over here, you're shuffling between daylight saving time mode on or off. In my time zone, currently it's off, so I'm gonna leave it at off. Once done with that, press the mode button and we see the hours are flashing. To increase or decrease the value of hours, you can press the upper right button or lower right button. Lower one increases or upper right one decreases the value of hours. Once done with that, press the mode button once again and flashing moves on to our minutes value. Again, to increase or decrease the value of seconds, press the upper or lower right button. Once you've set your minutes value, press the mode button and now we are setting our year value. It's flashing 2005, but I can decrease it or increase it by pressing the upper or lower right button. In this case, I'm pressing the lower right button to get it to 2024. And there it is. Once I've set my year value, I'm gonna press the mode button and flashing moves on to my month value. Currently, it is month of February, so to decrease it, I'm gonna press the upper right button and it will go down to 2. Press the lower right button to increase it or upper right button to decrease it. Now I've set my month value and I'm gonna press the mode button and flashing moves on to my day value. Again, to decrease it, press the upper right button, or to increase it, press the lower right button. I'm gonna get it to 225 since today is February the 25th of 2024. Once I've set my day value, I'm gonna press the mode button once again. And now I'm in the position of setting the seconds value, which means that we have ran through the cycle of setting the time and date. To implement the settings, simply press the adjust button twice. So once, twice, and now we have set or implemented the settings that we have just ran through. How to shuffle between 12 or 24-hour time format? Well, whilst you are in the standard timekeeping mode, just press the lower right button and the watch will shuffle between 12 or 24-hour time format. In this case, since it's 19 o'clock, it's equal to 7 p.m. The P indicator will be over here, indicating that we are in the PM time region. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch-related content, please subscribe. So thank you.